Here's how I create futuristic robot effect using Android phone. First, you need to create an account, link in the description. Create. Sign up. Type your email and password. And register. You need to verify this on your email and confirm. Once verification success, you will credited 10 points. Now upload your image. Scroll, and continue to prompt. Here's some tags. I'm gonna add robots. Describe the art you want to create for this tags. Click Continue. I'm gonna set 10 seconds. Scroll and generate. It will appear generated a futuristic image. You can download and edit to CapCut. To remove the watermark, open your CapCut and choose Generated AI Video. Just you use both fingers to resize until you don't see the watermark. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.